July is a wonderful day that's called as a Doctor's Day. eConceptual on this day will like to first of all pay gratitude to everybody who trusted us for last 5 years plus. We are in the 6th year at this time and it feels as if we have just started, not even started. The aim is not to live forever, but the aim is to create something that can. The art of clinical science requires patience, a lot of knowledge and skill. It's a conglomerate. And when you master this art, it is like a sort of addiction that keeps on growing over you. We like to extend our thanks to all the patients who have been our best teachers and our students who have helped us to stay abreasted with what's happening latest. The beautiful line given to us by Professor Dr. S.M. Tuli sir, "The learning never ends," gets us on the track to be open with your eyes and mind and ears, to be willing to learn more and more. It is just not that we want to make a difference. We want to create an impact that is long lasting. After all, the teachers of eConceptual, all the divisions, they have more than thousands of years of experience and must have touched at least a total of more than crore patients in their lifespan together. If you look at what and how we are enriching you in this year, if I look at Professor Dr. Narendra Pal Singh, he will be taking few of lectures for conceptual medicine, and his lectures will find space to enrich conceptual anesthesia students as well. You will love to listen to him. Sir at present is recording for us from United States of America. And very soon our students will get a chance to get his lectures from India being recorded and meet him very often. We are also developing other platforms where the teachers with more than 40-45 years of experience are contributing to create something to the next level. Conceptual anesthesia also gets a legend in Professor Dr. Rakesh Kumar sir, who is the pioneer in this country to work on the airway and the life support workshops. Sir has taught innumerable doctors, the students, the MBBS students and the general mass, and must have saved millions of lives through his initiatives. There are 2 podcasts that we are releasing with him to understand how to shape your career, the basics of understanding medical science, and the second one, the approach of a resident, anesthesia and any branch in general. His topics on airway are going to enrich the students further. Not here. Further to enrich the things, we have the great teachers joining us every day. When we thought of Conceptual, our request to Mr. Harsha Bogle was to copy a line which I requested on a mail from him. On a straight drive that Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar sir plays, right, for which he described in a line, with a touch of class and a stamp of authority. And this is what the teachers of Conceptual does. Everything they do has a touch of class and a stamp of authority. They are all standing tall, with age ranging from 30 to 93, with the agility of a tiger, with some of them having grey hair and some of them jet black. So we have a conglomerate of the latest to the eldest, not at heart, but sometimes at the age. But when you talk to them, you all want to contribute to this nation's and maybe way beyond. Every time in the world, Indian will quote somewhere from outside that this is the reference. But we are very sure at Conceptual that we are going to become the gold standard for almost all the branches of post-graduation that exist in India and abroad. And the day is not very far where people will search anything in their field, not on Google, but on the Conceptual search button. So what are you waiting for? Number 1, download eConceptual. Number two, select your branch, and whatever you're interested in, reach out to us, because the offers in this month are going to flow very, very beautifully. And we are releasing with 3 new initiatives about which I'll be coming out in detail very soon. Stay glued to our channel. Thank you very much.